Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on or turn off night light in Windows 10 or 11. So guys, if you want to turn on or turn off night light in Windows 10 or 11, so very easy. Firstly click on install, after click on settings. Now click on system, after click on display. So guys, if you want to turn on night light, so select on position. And if you want to disable night light, so select to off position. That is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to turn on or turn off night light in Windows 10 PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for latest updates.